If you do plan to use real hardware, you'll need to install the Arduino Integrated Development Environment, or IDE for short. Navigate to arduino.cc and click Software. At the top, you'll see a link for the Arduino Web Editor, which allows you to write code in your browser. If you install a plugin for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, you'll be able to upload your program directly from your browser to the Arduino. This feature, however, is relatively new when this course was made, so I have not been able to thoroughly test it. We'll be using the cross-platform IDE software that you can find by scrolling down. The latest here is 1.8.3, but you should see whatever the latest revision is for Arduino. Click the link for your operating system. I'll show you how to do this for Windows and Mac, although the steps for Linux should be fairly similar. In Windows, click Windows Installer, and on the next page, click Just Download, although you can donate if you feel particularly inclined. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click the Arduino installer to start the installation process. Follow any on-screen prompts and, when asked, leave the installation components to default. Most importantly, we'll need to install the USB driver in order to send programs to our Arduino. Click Next. Leave the destination folder as Program Files x86/Arduino and click Install. If you open a File Explorer and head to C Program Files x86 Arduino, you can double-click on Arduino to start the IDE. Similarly, on a Mac, after you've downloaded the Arduino IDE, open a Finder and navigate to your downloads. If the Arduino file is still compressed as a zip file, double-click to unzip it. You can then copy the file to your Applications directory. In Applications, double-click Arduino to open the IDE. And that's it! Installing the Arduino IDE is a fairly easy process. Now you should be ready to start coding.